In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your mouse cursor changes permanent in Windows 11 or 10. This is a handy skill, especially if you like to customize your desktop experience and make it feel truly yours. Now, let's get started. First off, you'll want to open up the control panel. This is a central hub for all settings on your computer, and it can be accessed by typing Control Panel into the search bar on your taskbar and selecting it from the list of results. Once you have it open, the next step is to look for an option called Hardware and Sound. Click on this to proceed. Within the Hardware and Sound section, you will find a variety of settings related to devices connected to your computer. What you want to do here is click on Mouse. This will open up the Mouse Properties window, which is where the magic happens. Next, navigate over to the Pointers tab. This tab allows you to customize how your mouse pointer looks on screen. You'll see a list of different pointers you can change, such as the normal select pointer, the busy pointer, and so on. Take some time to explore the options and choose the appearance that you like. Once you've made your desired changes, there's a very important step to make sure these settings stick. You'll need to click on the Save As mode button. By doing this, you're creating a new scheme that saves all the adjustments you've just made under a new name. In the prompt that appears, give your new scheme a recognizable name, something easy to remember that reflects your customization style. Once you've named it, click OK to save it. The final step is crucial. To make sure that your changes become the default setting every time you start your computer, you need to click Apply and then OK at the bottom of the Mouse Properties window. This will ensure that your customized pointers are used every time instead of reverting back to the default ones. With these steps, you have successfully made your mouse cursor change stay permanent in your Windows 11 or 10 operating system. Customizing your mouse pointers can add a personal touch, whether you want something more functional, visually appealing, or simply unique to your taste. Now you can enjoy a personalized computing experience every time you log into your machine. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.